How can I make a cell's font transparent? I'm creating a heat map using Excel's conditional formatting. I don't want the cell's values to show against the color background. Is there a way to make the font's formatting transparent, similar to what is found in the cell's fill formatting? Since it's a heat map, I can't use a single color, for example white, and I prefer to not have to individually format each cell's font property to the appropriate color. Edit. To help clarify, the heat map is colored using conditional formatting color scale red white blue, where white was modified to a light gray, so the cell fill value is not directly set, rather it is a calculated value on a color gradient.
I've found a workaround that doesn't change the font color, but effectively removes the text from the cells. Adjust the cell number format to custom, with a value of. Here's the same cells with the custom format.
While I'm not aware of any worksheet functionality to match a cell's font color to its fill color, other than manually, it's very easy to do with a macro. The first macro below changes the font colors in the cells of a selected range to match their fill colors. The second returns the font colors back to the default black. To install the macros, select Developer, Visual Basic from the main ribbon and then choose Insert, Module from the menu. Paste the code into the edit pane that opens up. The macros will appear in the macro list accessible by choosing Developer, Macros from the main ribbon. Just select with the mouse the range you want to modify and choose the macro you want to run.
Okay, so this is the first time I have ever submitted code, so here goes. I thought the macro route would be the way to go, but as you can't set the font to be the same as the cell color using conditional formatting, then the only other way would be to change both with a macro that works similar to the effect of the conditional format. See below. Hope this helps someone, even though it's 3 years too late for the original question.
This is how I do it. Dot cells roto, coli cpdip. Font dot color equals. Cells roto, coli cpdip. Interior dot color set color invisible.
이것이 저 피스케드 쿼리